Hi, I am Jenny with Bay News 9, and I am here interviewing Jayla and her little food truck called Street Food. We love to support local businesses. Hi, Jayla.
Hi.
Can you tell me a little bit about your business and what you're selling today?
Well, this is the food truck, and we sell lemonade, water, ice cream, milkshakes, pizza, burrito, taco, pretzel, and hamburger and cheeseburger.
Wow. What do you suggest that I eat? Oh, look at that. Your first customer. Oh my
Come on, Jack.
goodness.
Be on TV. Come on, Jack.
Hi.
Pretzel for my dog. And the rain of taco on me. Can I get the song first?
Yes.
It's raining tacos.